Jain Cadets. My name Ayush Chauhan from 64 NCC Battalion, Lucknow University, Lucknow. Today I have called for the creating awareness about the coronavirus, which is caused by the COVID-19. And today India is facing a lot of problems due to this, and we cannot say many words because everything is in front of you. You are facing the problem, and you are seeing what are the causes. And I think that there is no need to create or tell anything about this, because social media, electronic media, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all are creating awareness about this. But I want to share some data about the world, that 7,82,000 plus active cases are there, and in that 3,82,000 plus have taken death, and in India there are 2,069 active cases, and in Uttar Pradesh there is 103 active cases. In that at least 29 death has been taken. So from these data you should look after that what is the causes behind it, why the death is happening, because today everyone is careless. Government is trying to keep you safe. Government is handling all the duty. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has taken many steps. 21 lockdown, 1 day curfew, Janta curfew. But after that, all people are not understanding the seriousness of this, and they are coming outside of their home, and they are coming out of their home thinking that I am coming from home after the making fool to the police administration, but they are not thinking that they are making fool to themselves. Today, after the lockdown, the ratio of the active cases are increasing, and the CM Yogi Adityanath is also crying in the assembly due to this behavior of the Janta. So I want to convey a message to you that please be safe, stay at home, and follow the rules and regulations. Use hand sanitizer and wash hand again and again. You will be safe, your family will be safe, then our nation will be safe, and the progress will be done. As our Honorable Prime Minister has said, that if 21 days, in these 21 crucial days, if you will not be serious, then our country will go back to the 21 years. So be safe, stay at home, and live healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.